Yep, today I want to show you how to use auto-tune. I'm El Proto. This is all One Pro Studio. We're using FL Studio 20 in this video, but you can also use any DAW you normally use. Okay, this is the track we'll be working on by All One, Trailblazer song. Find out, draw closer. I used Auto-Tune Evo in this track, but we're going to use Auto-Tune 8 here. Okay, now we have Auto-Tune 8. Without the Auto-Tune, it's kind of horrible. Okay, it's not that horrible. Auto-Tune is used for pitch correction. That is just to straighten the pitch out. So the most important knob to tweak is this retune speed, but there are other places you need to work on too, like the key. I know the key of this song is F sharp, then the scale is major. So if you don't know the key, you can just leave it at chromatic, but I know the key is F sharp, so that's it. I drop it there. Next thing, I normally change this soprano to auto or maybe low mil. We'll leave auto for now. This tracking, I normally take it to choosy. You can check the one that works best for you. Then for the retune speed, it depends on you what you like. Let's hear it. Draw closer. Let me reduce the volume of the beats. Draw closer. Okay, that will do it. I took the retune speed all the way up. Let's hear it. Find out, draw closer. I am a trailblazer to my world. Let's hear 10. The retune speed. Let's leave it at 10. Find out, draw closer. I am a trailblazer. There are artists that don't want the auto-tune to be that much in your face in the song, so you just want to hear the pitch correction. They don't want to hear that sound of auto-tune. Just use your ears here when you use this retune speed. Normally I don't touch this correction style. I just leave it like this. Humanize and natural vibrato. I normally don't touch those. Let's see other knobs in this auto-tune. This one, format. Hear what it does. Let me take it all the way up. Left click and drag up. Yeah, that is what that does. Let's take it the other way. Transpose. Let's take it all the way to our left. That is what that does. Let's take it the other way. Hey, leave these vocals alone. So this is to transpose the voice. Let me just tweak it so that you hear it. Find out, draw closer. Hey, that's enough. Alright, that is it on how to use auto-tune. We just made this video in a way that the beginner can watch and start using auto-tune right away. Let me just go through auto-tune Evo. One thing with this Evo is I think the auto-tune is too harsh. Let me just show you what I mean. Let me take the retune speed of auto-tune Evo to 0. And I will also take the retune speed of auto-tune 8 all the way up to 0. Let's start with Evo. Find out, draw closer. I am a trailblazer. Okay, so auto-tune 8. Find out, draw closer. Evil. Find out, draw closer. Auto-tune 8. Find out, draw closer. I think the auto-tune 8 does it better. So let's take this back to 5. So that's it on how to use auto-tune. I have a video on modulating, that's if you're modulating a song, how to work that through with auto-tune. I had that challenge at one time and I fixed it. I shared how I did it, so I'll leave that video in the description of this video and also in the video card so you can check it out. Let me know what you think about this video. If it's helpful, please let me know. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I'm alloneprostudio. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it. I'm the best.